For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Thank everybody. Space is going to...
US President Donald Trump again pushed for reopening of schools. Donald Trump said he would put a lot of pressure on governors to reopen schools this fall. Trump said parents and everybody wants the schools to reopen. On Tuesday, the President and First Lady Melania Trump attended a White House event on reopening schools.
And we hope that most schools are going to be open. We don't want people to make political statements or do it for political reasons. I think it's going to be good for them politically, so they keep the schools closed. No way. So we're very much going to put pressure on governors and everybody else to open the schools, to get them open. And it's very important. It's very important for our country. It's very important for the well-being of the student and the parents.
Melania Trump said awareness should be created among children on coronavirus and the guidelines. She urged the schools to implement the guidelines while reopening schools.
When children are out of school, they are missing more than just time in the classroom. They're missing the laughter of their friends, learning from their teachers, and the joy of recess and play. For children with disabilities, without access to technology, or whose homes are not a safe place, the situation can be even worse.
Trump criticized Joe Biden over his comments on reopening schools. Corrupt Joe Biden and the Democrats don't want to open schools in the fall for political reasons, not for health reasons. They think it will help them in November? Wrong. The people get it. However, scientists and health experts have warned over increasing number of cases. President Trump has been facing criticism over the handling of coronavirus pandemic. Scientist Dr. Anthony Fauci said, "The COVID-19 situation is very serious in the United States. The situation is really not good and we must address this serious situation immediately," Fauci said. Dr. Fauci said the number of cases is not going down as expected. He said it is the societal responsibility and everybody should join hands to end the outbreak. Over 32 states in the United States reported surge in coronavirus cases this week. Close to 3 million Americans have been infected with coronavirus. Dr. Fauci said reopening of businesses in several states led to the surge in cases. He wanted tough guidelines and cautious path for safe reopening. Donald Trump has downplayed the surge in COVID-19 cases. He contended that the COVID-19 death rates are coming down.
So what we want to do is we want to get our schools open. We want to get them open quickly, beautifully in the fall. And as you know, this is a disease. It's a horrible disease, but young people do extraordinarily well.
Health experts and many parents are not keen on sending kids back to schools at this juncture. The United States remains the worst affected country in the world due to COVID-19. According to Johns Hopkins University website, the US reported more than 130,280 COVID-19 deaths and over 2.9 million infections.